Building or rebuilding trust is a gradual process that requires consistency, openness, and effort. Here are some steps to help with this. 1. Open communication. Talk openly and honestly with the person involved. Discuss the issues that led to the trust being broken. 2. Apologize and accept responsibility. If you are the one who breached trust, offer a sincere apology and take responsibility for your actions. 3. Show empathy. Understand how your actions affected the other person and demonstrate empathy towards their feelings. 4. Consistency. Consistently follow through on your commitments and promises. Show that you can be relied upon. 5. Set boundaries. Establish clear boundaries and expectations for the relationship to prevent future breaches of trust. 6. Transparency. Be transparent and open about your actions, intentions, and decisions. 7. Give it time. Rebuilding trust takes time, so be patient and allow the other person time to heal. 8. Seek counseling. In some cases, seeking the help of a therapist or counselor can be beneficial, especially if the breach of trust is significant. 9. Learn and grow. Use the experience as an opportunity for personal growth and self-improvement.